Welcome to the Tower Challenge. Complete all. Our main objective is to protect the crystal. Each lane has 3 towers that stop the enemy from pushing too quickly to your crystal. Enemy forces have to begin their attack from the outer towers. Danger! One of our towers is under attack. Towers deal heavy damage to heroes.
These are my hunting grounds.
Towers prioritize attacking enemy heroes that attack you within your tower's range. Way to go! On to the next objective. The enemy tower range is marked in yellow. They'll attack you if you enter their range. When you are targeted by a tower, its range marker will turn red. That's your cue to get out quickly. When the range marker turns green, it is safe to enter the tower's range. When you attack an enemy hero within a tower's range, it will start attacking you.
Blind belief will leave you blind.
You have slain an enemy.
Way to go! On to the next objective. The enemy jungler is here. Quick, retreat to your tower.
Killing spree. Double kill.
Way to go! On to the next objective. Not bad. Next, let's take out the enemy tower.
These are my hunting grounds.
Unstoppable.
Often, the best way to take down a tower is by using your basic attacks. Challenge failed. No worries. Let's try again.
Praise to the sun!
Godlike. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Well done! You've completed all the objectives.